Refrigerant recovery 2002 Subaru Outback. This thing is so new that there's not even dust on this car. This car is was driven off the dealer parking lot, driven and then crashed. So new. But this will be when we coming back. I don't know if they're going to replace the condenser. It has a little twist to it, savable. It doesn't have a bad twist, not a bad bow. Wish all air conditioning was this easy to work on, because if you look at this, look at a Subaru compared to all other vehicles. Compressor right here on top. You got 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. Compressor's off. You have your high side and low side line, your suction and discharge. 1 bolt tool bolt, off. Everything is wide open, all the lines, as you can see right over here. Expansion valve, 1 bolt in the middle, and then you have the 2 smaller bolts in the expansion valve to remove the expansion valve off of the evaporator. This is how air conditioning should be. Dryer is built into the condenser, so when you replace it, it automatically gets replaced. Look at how easy the lines are. 1 bolt right here. You could get it through an extension with the bumper and everything on, straight through there. Take it off. The only one to be a little tricky, can't get this 1 bolt right there. That would be that's the only thing that makes it difficult. You'd have to take out your fan, take out your coolant reservoir, so you could take off the top plate and then move it backwards. So you could probably get a tool right into this guy right here. That's the only one. If they could have just done something to make that a little bit easier. I think if it was me, I'd want to drill a hole right here. All right, that's about it, guys. I'll see you. Why can't all air conditioning be this easy with everything right on top? All right, see you guys. Oh yeah, compressor valve for your variable displacement compressor. I've been meaning to hook up one of these and make you guys a video changing the valve using the electronics, so you can see how by changing the displacement it changes the pressures on the system. I just haven't had time, even though I've been coming across these easy ones like this. Hopefully I could do this one. All right, see you guys.